Hi first grade friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. So this is going to be a how-to video on how to make chocolate chip cookies with Chef Miss Gardner. Can't wait to see how they come out. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be making a half batch of chocolate chip cookies from the website food.com if you want to follow the same recipe later. It only makes 10 to 12 cookies, so now a whole batch makes about 24 cookies, and I don't need that many, so I am making the half batch. So all my ingredients are here, and it tells me exactly how much I need. And then the directions on how to use the ingredients are on the right side. So let's gather all my ingredients first and get going. As you can see, I already made a mess with flour. But here are all my ingredients. I have flour, salt, baking soda, brown sugar, a stick of butter, 1 large egg, pure vanilla extract, granulated sugar, and then my chocolate chips. So the first thing it wants me to do is cream the butter and sugars at medium speed, add vanilla while mixing, and add egg while mixing, and then we'll turn off the mixer and add flour. All right, so first I need to get my mixer ready. All right, so I'm going to use a hand mixer because I'm not sure where our other mixer is, but this works just as fine. So it's ready to go. Now I have my bowl and I just need to add my butter and sugar. I can't really remember. We'll have to see when I go back to the recipe. So my stick of butter was in the fridge, so I need to melt it a little bit. So I'm gonna do that really quick. In a bowl, open the microwave. We'll put it in for 30 seconds and watch it. Hello. Melt it down a little bit. So you want the butter soft, but not completely melted, and I kind of completely melted it, so this might be an issue, but we're gonna work through it and see what happens, all right? So I'm gonna take my butter and I'm going to bring it to my bowl and get my sugar ready to put it in with the butter. Alright, so I need tablespoons. So where are my tablespoon? Oh, here we go. I don't know if you can see it. 1 tablespoon. So we need 6 tablespoons of brown sugar and 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So let's count that out and then put it in with our butter. Alright, so I'm going to count out 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now I'm going to get brown sugar, 6 tablespoons.
Alright, so I have my brown sugar bag. I have 6. 1, 2. This reminds me of sand always. 3. 4, 5, 6. This bag is almost out. And 6. And this is an easy way to tell because they all look like little, I don't even know, like pieces of a sandcastle or something. I'll show you.
Here's the 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then you need 1 cup of flour.
Add it into our bowl. It also wants me to add 2 tablespoons extra of flour, so I'm going to go do that too. Take my jar over here. 1, 2. going to mix it up.
Oh, I forgot to add the salt and baking powder, so I'm gonna do that now. So I need half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt.
Half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna mix that up. I made that all together. And now I need to add chocolate chips. So I have this bag here. Let's see how much is left. I don't have too much. So I think I'm just gonna add everything that's left in here. It wants you to carefully mix the chocolate chips in, so I'm going to use a wooden spoon instead of a mixer. Right, and here is my dough all ready to be put on the tray.
Heat your oven to 375 on bake. Spoons, shape into balls and drop on a cookie sheet for baking. Then we're gonna bake it for 7 minutes. So let's put these on some trays. So on the recipe it says 7 minutes in the oven. I ended up cooking them in the oven for 12 minutes. I added 3 minutes after 7 minutes went up because they didn't look done, and then I added another 2 minutes after that 3 minutes went up because they weren't done either. But now they look pretty good and I can't wait to try them. So yeah. Right now I'm gonna put them in a container. They look good.
Excellent. Yummy.
So good. I recommend this recipe. All right, and that is my how to make chocolate chip cookies, a half batch. If you don't want the whole 24, it's perfect size. Yeah, I hope you enjoy and let me know if you decide to make some chocolate chip cookies on your own. Bye guys.